Hello everyone, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. This is Denise Abate Smith, Treasures of a Crafty Mind, and I would like to share with you a project. I am a huge fan of dies. I'm a huge fan of KSCrafts dies. They take up the majority of my craft stash, as well as Scrap Diva Designs, and now my Crafting World Anna. So today I am focusing on this particular treat box that is a new KSCrafts release from November. I did buy the whole set from AliExpress. You save quite a bit of cash if you are able to purchase, and now they ship really fast. So if you are able to do the monthly release, head over to AliExpress. I'll try to remember to leave a link in the description box down below. That is, I believe, KSCrafts Hannah's store. And on Amazon, the KSCrafts is also Hannah's, I believe. I believe this was also designed by Nicole Silhouette, Nicole's Paper Crafts. If you are not familiar with her, she is here on YouTube, and Hannah's YouTube channel as well. She does a full tutorial of this die. I would just like to make one and hope that you would like to follow along with me. So this is a Valentine's treat box. I am going to be working with Frank Garcia's Sugar Cookie Prima, and I will show you. It is this one here. And it's more of a, it is a Christmas collection, but I take it as a fun, beautiful winter collection. And so I have taken the liberty of having all of my pieces done. This is a latch for the treat box. You will see as we get going, we've got the topper, side matting pieces, top and back matting pieces. I have done the embossing already. I have used my Anna Griffin Empress, the large one, for this today. And then here are the main two components of the box. You do need two of these, okay? And I'm going to move Santa. Here's my new little Lennox Santa dish that I found. It was 50% off on Amazon. Can you believe that? 50% off. Okay, so first of all, Hannah does do a full tutorial, so please head over and check out her tutorial. And you are going to use the tab. You're going to line up your lines, okay? And you will be gluing 1/2 of this triangular piece here and this flap. And just make sure you're going to line up the lines, the score lines, okay? I am going to be using my wet glue for this because I'm fidgety. I don't get it right the first time, so I want the advantage of having a little bit, oh, excuse the glitter, there is glitter everywhere. So just wanted to have the extra time to fidget and get it lined up properly, okay? All right, I'm going to glue that tab. I'll be right back. This is Martha Stewart strawberry cream paper that I am using for the base. So as long as you are lining up your score lines, it will come out even. And a spatula, something to help spread your glue out. It helps so that you're not using way too much glue, right? Okay, and now we are going to do the same thing on the opposite side. Let's see. And you do need a really good fine tip and small glue bottle for intricate work. It helps immensely. How are you today? What have you been up to? I hope that you are getting your craft on and you are ready for Christmas. Okay, and you're going to fold over one side because this is a flat fold box, and these will line up perfectly for you once you have done the one side properly. Okay, and it's good to have a piece of tissue paper around or something just to keep your glue mess under control. This is my absolute favorite paper. It is Martha Stewart paper, strawberry cream, and I got it on Amazon, from Amazon. Okay, and as you can see, flat fold, and it lines up pretty darn perfectly. Okay, and you know, it's up to you at this point. Whatever you are comfortable with, this is a good place to do some matting. Okay, all right, let's see. I think I do want to do this side, and you can see the opening here, and this is your closure. I cut it out, left it attached to the piece because, you know, tiny pieces come up missing. Like, I literally used, fun story, not fun. I purchased a die from Scrap Diva Designs, one of the Halloween dies. Oh my gosh, it wasn't her die. Oh my gosh, what was the name of the ones that she had? Anyway, it was a Halloween one, and I lost one of the teeny tiny little ghosties. Okay, and I am going to choose at this moment to glue this on one side. Okay, and you decide which side you want to be your front and your back. Okay, maybe I will do this side. Okay, I have glued this flap on, so it's going to be the front, and then there's something that there's a little mechanism that it squeezes in, you know. So I'm going to finish matting this box. I'll be right back. Okay, now I have matted all of the pieces, and I'm going to glue the bottom. I want this to be the front, so I'm going to be mindful of the seams. Okay, just a bit of a tip after you've glued on a top or bottom of a box, to keep it super lined up, go ahead and put all of the corners or sides together, okay, before you start pressing down and finishing off gluing up. And make sure you've got a ruler or something really long. Okay, and I have glued those tabs in, and now I'm going to finish off gluing this. Again, get a ruler, something really long, come in here, and there you go. Okay, and if you go over and watch Hannah's assembly of this box, she gives you a really great tip for lining up the tab that's going to be the lock for the top of the box. I'm going to glue these two pieces back, and I'll be right back. These two pieces together, and I'll be right back. Just a tip, you just want to put a little bit of glue right in the center of that flat fold, okay? And then after you have folded them together, because they don't quite line up right, now you want to go back and finish off gluing. I'm going to grab a pencil or a pen, something to mark this, and so you can line it up where you want it. It's going to get glued, so you know. See? Okay, I will glue that and be right back. Okay, and there's how it looks when it's closed. How cute, right? Super cute. And there is holes for you to add a little strap or something, you know. So super cute. I love how it came out. Love, love, love it. And here it is with this really pretty peach organza ribbon. It was a gift from Anna's Wonderland. Anna, thank you, Anna, if you are watching. And so here is my finished treat box. All I need to do is do a little bit more embellishing, some kind of sprig, background sprig, and some flowers, and a sentiment would work very nicely. Really happy with how this came out. Super sturdy box. I could even do one more matting piece on the bottom if I want. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. This is Denise Abate-Smith, Treasures of a Crafty Mind, and this is what my crafty mind came up with for this cute KSCrafts die from the November release. See you next time. Bye for now.